A job search gone wrong. The story of over 15 residents in Clarendon who believe they were scammed of over $600,000 by a man who promised them work in the United States. As Kalisha Williams reports, a man fitting the description of the alleged scammer is now in police custody.
With the COVID-19 pandemic affecting businesses, dozens of Jamaicans have been out of a job. So when news reached Lionel Town, Clarendon, that a prominent company in the United States was looking for workers, many residents seized the opportunity. They recount that in January, a man claiming he had the connection started a drive to get as many people to sign up. Victim 1.
One day I was sitting at home, broke and hungry like a dog. Then my sister said she had an opportunity for us to go on a farm work.
Victim 2.
He introduced me to a work and travel program with Delta Airline, and he said that we were supposed to give him $40,000 to deal with the visa.
Victim 3.
I gave him my birth certificate, my passport, 2 passport size picture, and also $40,000. So he collected $40,000 from each and every one of us.
But were there even job vacancies to begin with? Well, that's what the residents thought in the days that followed.
The $40,000 was for the visa fee. However, waiting, we still don't hear from him.
Another resident was still hopeful that she would have left for the United States.
He said that I have the date to go to the embassy on the 27th of this month, which was Monday. And from he gave us that date, I don't hear back anything else from him.
Others went as far as calling the man's job in Lionel Town, but was in for a surprise.
They said that he doesn't come to work and he's not in for work for a while now. And they're saying that he doesn't work there anymore.
It was at that point they said they realized they were scammed. Now they're still jobless and lost all the money they spent on the so-called visa application. Combined for over 15 persons, more than $600,000 went down the drain.
If you don't have the money to give me now, you have to give me at a further date, but just give me my documents.
What documents you have for you?
He have a passport and a birth paper.
In the meantime, the Lionel Town police said they have a man in custody fitting the description of the alleged scammer. We were told he was held on suspicion of larceny by trick. They are appealing to persons who have been affected to file an official report to the police. Globally, job scams have been on the rise since the pandemic. According to the Better Business Bureau in the United States, in 2020 alone, there was an estimated 14 million victims with $2 billion in direct losses related to job scams. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.